Hello, I am Gorakh Mali, CEO M&K Building Systems Pvt Limited. Welcome to TLC Expo. Providing turnkey solution from selection of land, all government approval, supply of building, erection, commissioning, and up to final certification of from government authority, that is building completion certificates. M&K Building System Pvt Limited is Kolhapur-based PV manufacturing company having 20-year plus of experience, completed more than 1200 projects. All the services required for industrial and commercial building will be provided under one roof